Hello Macaulay. Welcome to our channel. Today Nama Maruti Suzuki Baleno Auto Review Pakalam. First engine and transmission Pathe Pakalam. Engine type 1.2 LVVT engine. Engine displacement 1197 cubic centimeters. Fuel type petrol. Max power output Pathing around 81.80 bhp at 6000 rpm. Emission norm Pathing a BS6. Max torque 113 Nm at 4200 rpm. No of cylinders 4. Transmission manual and automatic Kuda Thurakanga. Gearbox 5-speed. Drive type FWD. Paddle shift not available in Baleno. Curb weight 865 to 890 kilograms. Next performance and fuel economy Pathe Pakalam. Mileage, Array, 21.01 kmpl 0 to 100 kmph 12.36 seconds. Next brakes, steering, suspension and tires Pathe Pakalam. Suspension front McPherson strut. Suspension rear torsion beam. Brakes front disc. Brakes rear drum. Steering type electric Kuda Thurakanga. Minimum turning radius 4.9. Tire size 185/65 R15. Wheel size R15. Tire type tubeless radial. Next interior dimensions Pathe Pakalam. Seating capacity 5. Doors 5. Boot space 339 liters. Fuel capacity 37 liters. Next variants and price tag Pathe Pakalam Sigma 5.98 rupees lakh. Delta 6.71 rupees lakh. Zeta 7.34 rupees lakh. Dual jet Delta 7.59 rupees lakh. Alpha 8.10 rupees lakh. Dual jet Zeta 8.22 rupees lakh. Next walk around view Pakalam. Next interior view Pakalam. This is Vinu Chakravarti signing off. Thank you. Save trees, save motoring.